Hey folks, have you heard about the latest drama between DJI and the Pentagon? DJI, the drone giant from China that makes over half the commercial drones in the US, just sued the Pentagon. Why? Because the US Defense Department slapped DJI on a list of companies allegedly working with the Chinese military. DJI says this is totally bogus and it's hurting their business big time. DJI is asking a US district judge in Washington to take them off this Chinese military company list. They argue they're not owned or controlled by the Chinese military at all. Being on this list is like a big red warning sign for US companies saying, beware, national security risk. According to DJI, they've lost deals, been labeled a security threat, and can't even work with federal agencies anymore. Customers, both in the US and internationally, are ditching them left and right. The Pentagon didn't comment on this, but DJI says they waited over 16 months for a response and finally had to go to court for some relief. This lawsuit is part of a bigger picture. The US has been taking steps to limit Chinese companies it believes might boost Beijing's military. DJI isn't alone. Other big Chinese companies like Avic and China Mobile are also on this list. Recently, another company, Hesai Group, got removed, but then immediately relisted for national security reasons. DJI's pressure in the US is mounting. Customs is blocking some DJI drones due to the Uyghur Forced Labor Prevention Act. DJI denies any forced labor involvement. US lawmakers are concerned about data transmission and surveillance risks from DJI drones. The US House even voted to ban new DJI drones, awaiting Senate action now. So what do you think? Is DJI being unfairly targeted, or is this a necessary step for national security? If you like this breakdown and want more, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. See you next time.